I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're checking out bin number 53. I've got a huge smile on my face because this is all paper. So if you're new to the series, quick rundown. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin in Tampa Bay, Florida. And we've been opening all these bins that we acquired from an 80-year-old lady. And I have gotten to the point where we're now doing the 12 by 12s. So I'm shoving as many in a bin as I can. And these are all paper pads, which is one of my favorite things ever. So I'm just gonna pull them out of the bin now so we can start going through. This is a heavy one. All right, let's see what we got. I see some beautiful flowers. This one is called Floral Bloom, which my aesthetic is definitely pink and definitely florals, but I've accumulated so much paper at this point that I'm only trying to keep things if I really feel like I need them and they're super unique. And I know someone will be very happy to find this in our shop. Next, we have Christmas. We should probably find a lot of Christmas because it was her favorite holiday. Oh no, these are so pretty. Oh no, these are so pretty. Why did I look at these? Oh my gosh, what did I just say about having too much paper? What did I just say about having too much paper? Oh my gosh. Honestly, if these were pink or blue, I think I wouldn't be able to resist, but I will be good. But yeah, Christmas was her favorite holiday, so I'm sure we're gonna find quite a bit in here. Okay, some nice black and whites. I actually don't use a lot of this in my crafting, but I know that it's always nice to have some basic colors, so this will make someone very happy. Here's another very similar one. Oh, you see that? Oh. Whoa, that one's really shiny as well. I love it. Super nice paper. Definitely this one's been used a bit, which is awesome. Wow. I literally didn't even plan that, but look how perfectly it matches my shirt. I mean, come on. Right? Blossom. Oh, what am I doing? I should be showing you. Don't mind me. Just gonna look for myself. Bright Blossom. These are like so hard to flip through. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need that. I need just like that one sheet. I don't think I need the whole book. Oh my gosh. So so pretty. Oh, they're flying. They're leaving. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay, wait. Maybe I do need the book. Why am I like this? Why am I like this? All right, I might need this one. It's just like so fantasy. I mean, oh my gosh, how great would that look with some fairies and butterflies? And I don't use a lot of reds and oranges, but it's nice and bold. Okay, we're gonna think about that one. Maybe I'm just influenced by my shirt. Wild Splendor by Recollections. Ooh, wait, that's very similar to what we just looked at. Aww. Ooh, I don't even know if I'm in the middle of the camera. Sorry, guys. Wow. Oh. Oh, yeah, this is just going to be another video of me oohing and awing, so just get used to it. I don't even think I'm going to bother trying to come up with adjectives. Wow. Oh my gosh. A beautiful pack. This lady had good taste in paper. I have one or had one very similar to this one. I actually didn't use it that much, and I am trying to get into, well, I'm already into watercoloring. That's beautiful though. I'm trying to get into more like alcohol ink, so I'm sure I could make beautiful backgrounds like this for myself. Oh, but it has sentiments. Oh man, every time these have sentiments, I like to hang on to those, but I'm also trying to make my own stamped and, you know, cut out ones. So I'll try to be good. I'll try to be good. That's a beautiful pack though. Very pretty. Right. I don't think they're sorted by any rhyme or reason either, but this is some blues and yellows, and it is the Lost and Found 3 Oliver Glittered cardstock by My Mind's Eye. The glitter definitely has my attention. Oh no. I don't need more paper. I don't need more paper. I don't need more paper. I don't need more paper, right? I don't need more paper. Oh. Oh my gosh, the glitter though. Oof. Oh, okay. I'll be good. I'll be good. That is a beautiful one. I don't even know if like you can see some of the flowers have glitter, some don't. And then like a page like this is all glitter. Look at that shimmer. Oh, I think I actually have this one, or at least a very similar one. This is called Blank Boutique, and it is pearl finish. Oh my gosh, I see. Okay, don't look yet. Don't look down there. I don't know how well this will show on camera, but yeah, we've had one of these before, and I think I own one of these as well. A couple loose sheets here. Oh, this is more like wrapping paper. So there's Christmas. Oh, adorable bears. Those are so cute. Plaid. And the one I was oohing and awing about, yes, I'm keeping this one because it looks like stained glass. And I've been making these fun like fairy tale journals, and this is like just everything I love. It's rainbow, it's shimmery, it's metallic, it's sparkly, it is beautiful. And sorry, it's fine. Next, we have some jewel colored textured white core cardstock. So white core means if you rip it, it'll be like white on the inside, which, you know, if you are into collaging and things like that, it is important. These are some beautiful basic colors though. I know someone will be very happy to find these. A whole rainbow here. And we've had this one before too. I mean, she must have just had repeats of paper. There is the navy blues. Pretty self-explanatory on that one. Okay, this one is gold foil. I do have a lot of, I mean, I have a lot of solid metallic. I'll be honest, I'm not like super into gold. Oop, it's probably kind of hard to see with all the reflection from the lights, but that's a very, very nice pack. Ooh, and it's got sentiments. Ooh, and polka dots. And of course, if you have the gold foil, you gotta have the silver foil. This one might be a little harder for me to resist, but again, I have a lot of metallics already. Oh, what did that say? Life is a great adventure. Very cool. The one random blue bin. And it looks like there's a few Christmas in here. This one is Mombi sheets. Oh, hold on. Those Christmas characters are freaking adorable. Oh, so cute. These flip throughs are not as easy as they look. Oh my gosh, are those little foxes? Okay, Steph, you're not really a Christmas crafter. You're not really a Christmas crafter. It's your least favorite holiday. You don't need these. I honestly have become a Christmas crafter, which is weird because, again, I'm not like into, oh my God, the hedgehog! The hedgehog with the little mushroom! I don't even, oh my gosh. I put these into like vertical format for TikTok and Facebook and stuff, so I don't even know if people are going to see some of these. Try to get some close up there. But yeah, I did recently start making a lot of Christmas cards, but I have a really nice collection of blues and pinks because I like the more pastel Christmas. So as cute as this is, I know someone else will love it. So we have the K and Company. Ooh, double-sided is really nice. Always coveted in our shop. Very cool. Oh, another K & Company. This is the Smash line, which as far as I know, some of the Smash stuff has sold pretty expensively. We'll keep them, you know, cheap in our shop, but I know that this specific line, ooh, I don't know if it's because they don't make it anymore or it's hard to find, but some of the books that we've had, I saw going for a lot online. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like not super thick cardstock, so it's probably pretty good for collaging. Got another Christmas here. The Mrs. Claus Kitchen Stack. Oh, I feel like this one's been used, so hopefully nothing flies out of here. Oh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, are those recipe cards? Sentiments. Lots of sentiments. Looks like kitchenware. This is a cute one. Nice borders. Very fun. Ooh. Sea glass. Oh, good thing it's not actually like shiny and reflective, or I probably would have kept that one. But I'll pass this one on. So far, I don't think there's much I'm keeping. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, I like those stripes. Very pretty. Oh, this one looks like it's all one and has come apart. Aw, love the butterfly. It's like cut out so you can actually see the paper underneath. Gorgeous flowers. Whoop. I see why it came apart now. Oh my gosh. I love the sunflowers and they're like glittery. They're glittery as well. I don't use a lot of red and yellow though, but very pretty. Oh my gosh. The butterflies are beautiful. And this one doesn't seem to have a name, but they're all blue. Nice cool blues. And another cane company. Uh-oh, there's seahorses in here. Tim Coffee design paper, double-sided. Another one that just matches my shirt. No, I love the mermaid. Oh, it came apart. I love the mermaid. Oh, I love the fishies. Oh, I love the seahorses. Okay, okay, I might need this one. Why is it just coming apart like this? I don't know. I might need, oh my gosh, the whale. Yeah, sorry, this one's mine. I love, besides the fantasy, I love underwater seahorses, and mermaids and whales are like just my favorite creatures on the planet. Oh my gosh. And don't say mermaids aren't real, because they're real. You can't argue with me. Sorry. These are kind of hard to open. There we go. Basic Great Shine On. Uh-oh. Don't look at that one yet. Oh, the cupcakes. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. I love any like baked goods. Oh, the clouds. Bakery stuff. I have a lot of stamps and dies and cutouts of sweets. Whoops. These aren't like really necessarily my colors though. Ooh, but that's a fun one. But these are my colors. Pink is my favorite color. Oh, my hair. I keep getting my hair stuck in everything today. Gosh, these probably barely even show on camera. They're all a very light blush pink. And I have to say, some of these lighter pinks are super hard to find. So I definitely need to hang on to these because I use a lot of pink in my crafting. Hey, we just had one of these. So there is another silver foil. Wait, this one might be a little bit different. I don't remember seeing that heart. No, I think it's the same. Maybe. Yeah. Ooh, we had some corrugated ones last time. I don't remember seeing a lot of burlap. I don't really use burlap, but very cool. There's some corals. Again, just matching the did I like not pick the perfect shirt for this bin? And there's some corals and then some like neutral colors. So that is a good find. Oh no. Sorry. Why am I apologizing? You guys keep telling me in the comments, like, it's okay. This one hasn't even been open. You keep telling me it's okay. Keep what I want. I just feel guilty because I know I should be selling it. But I mean, the stuff that I use. I make a lot of cards. And yeah, I mean, it's my colors. It's my colors. I need it. And this one is grayscale. Nice. Okay, now this one's got me super excited because it's that Pergamano, which I'm sure I'm butchering the name, which we found the tools in the last bin. And it is this parchment paper crafting that I've been really wanting to get into, but I knew that this was a hard to find or an expensive to find set. And so I'm hoping there is everything I need in here to get started because I want to make some gorgeous parchment paper. It's an older craft from what I understand, not very popular anymore. And here's an example. I mean, it's just so intricate and beautiful. I still don't know how they color them, maybe colored pencils, but you basically, I guess, cut out the shapes, emboss them with these tools. I don't even know, but I just know I'm very interested in it. I had a hard time finding out about it when I was researching. Gosh, this is another one that's super hard to open. Okay, got it. All right, so there is some parchment paper and There is a Bob. Bob, are you trying to tell me that I need to keep this bin? Are you trying to tell me something? Okay, so already I can tell this parchment paper does feel different than what I was trying to use. Okay, I don't even know what this stuff is, but I'm excited. This is... Okay. So, those flowers that I showed in the picture, they were like pressed in. I don't know if this is the board that you use or something like this, but basically you set it down, you use a tool that has like a rounded ball on the end, and it like makes them so they're 3D, you know, so they like, they're embossed and they don't just lie flat. So I assume that's what these are for. Wait, the colors. Dorso colors. Wait, is this how you color them? What are they, like a crayon? I literally thought it was colored pencils. They feel like, I don't know, like a crayon. They feel waxy. They're not really coming off on my hand. Assortment 2. So some more color again. Literally a match of my shirt. I don't know what these tools are. I thought these were like for pens or something. I don't know. Ouch, they're sharp. Here's one of the tools I kept from the other bin. I think they go to this, so we shall find out. This is another tool. I need to really I need to research this stuff and find out how you use it. They look like tweezers, but I don't know what they are. Perga cutter, okay. From the Netherlands. This looks like a dental tool. It's an embossing tool and punch wheel. It has like a little tiny rotary cutter on the end. Adhesive for parchment paper. Okay, Perga kits. Special gold ink. Shake well. And tint. It says tinta, but I think that means tint. No, waterproof drawing ink. Green, red, blue, yellow, leaf green, silver, white, violet. This is just a Fisker's ruler, and then there's these like pads. Parchment craft. Recreate a 15th century craft using parchment paper. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it dated back that far. This book alone was $18. Parchment craft, the art of piercing and embossing translucent parchment paper with special inexpensive tools to create delicate lace-like designs, originated in Spain. Janet Wilson, a leading exponent of this newly revived craft, shows you step by step how to trace, perforate, emboss, cut, and tint the parchment paper to create beautiful greeting cards and bookmark designs. Wow. I don't know, but it tells you could do phone orders or to get a free catalog. I want to say it's like from the 80s or no, I guess not. Okay, it's not as old as I thought. 1995, but still old enough that it's hard to find any videos on it really that are modern. But yeah, oh my gosh. I know I don't need a new hobby, but you guys have no idea how long I've been interested in this and trying to find out more about it. And I can't believe it's here. More instructions. There's some examples of cards you can make. I just think it's so delicate and so pretty, and the colors are just, I don't know, they look pastel once they're on the parchment paper. Oh my gosh, there's actually one in here. Wow, you can't really see, but it's very intricate. There's like tiny little holes in there. And I wonder if did she make these? I don't know. There's a butterfly. Maybe not. Maybe they're templates. And I don't understand how the words work, but there's words. And some more parchment paper and colored parchment paper. Blue and pink. You see what I mean, though? They're just so pretty. Well, I gotta say, that's very exciting for me. And I will make a video when I play with them so that you guys can see and we can learn together. Okay, that like made my whole week, my whole month, my whole day, my whole everything. That'll do it for bin number 53. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.